In this video, let me show you how to use Shein Points to lower your total at checkout. So if you have Shein Points available on your account and you're trying to use them, let me show you on exactly how it is done. The first thing you need to do is make sure you add in items to your cart, and then you'll need to head over to the checkout section. So if you have added in items to your cart inside of Shein, you can just tap on the item that you're trying to purchase, and then you can head over to the checkout section. Once you're inside of the checkout section, you can scroll down, and under gift cards you'll be able to see an option which says view more. You can just tap on this option and you'll be able to see the option called points. Now depending upon how many points that you have, you can add it in, and the total amount of Shein points that you have will be visible on the top. So you can just add in the number right here and then tap on the apply button. So every 100 points equals to $1 of discount. So you can just add in your item and your discount will be shown once you add in the points right here inside of the order total. So once you see the discount has been added, you can tap on continue and then continue with your checkout. If this guide video helped you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.